In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change trader currency. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives on desktop, web, and mobile, and how to make the change stick without disrupting your charts or trading layout. First, open Ctrader on the device you're using. The process is the same whether you're on desktop, the web app in your browser, or the mobile app. If you haven't used Ctrader in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're on the latest version so the menus look familiar and the setting appears where we expect it. Next, open any existing chart. You can pick any symbol, EURUSD, gold, an index, whatever you have handy. Time frame doesn't matter. We're using a chart because the option we're changing sits within the chart's properties, and opening one makes those options accessible. Now, look to the bottom left corner of the platform and click Settings. On desktop and web, you'll typically see a gear icon there. On mobile, tap the menu and then Settings. Depending on your screen size, the gear icon may appear at the lower toolbar or behind a three-dot menu. The label might differ slightly depending on your theme, but it will point to Settings. Inside Settings, switch to the Property tab. This is where Ctrader controls the visual and contextual settings for your charts. Here, find the field labelled Currency. It may appear under Chart, Trading, or Display Properties, depending on your version, but it will be within this Properties area. This setting determines how monetary values are displayed across your chart interface. Things like profit and loss on chart trading panels and currency labels tied to your chart tools. Open the drop-down next to Currency and choose the currency you want to use. The list you see is provided by your broker or the platform configuration, so you'll only be able to select from the available options. Pick the one that matches how you prefer to read your P&L and trade values. Finally, click OK to confirm your changes. You should see your chart-related currency values update right away. If you don't notice an immediate change, try toggling to another symbol and back, or briefly closing and reopening the chart. In some versions, this preference applies across your workspace. In others, it's chart-specific, so you may need to repeat it for additional charts. Quick note, this setting changes how amounts are displayed in the interface. It does not alter your account's base currency, which is set by your broker. If conversions look unusual, remember that live market rates drive the conversion. That's it. Open Ctrader, open a chart, head to Settings, find the currency in the Properties tab, choose your currency and confirm. You're all set.